Today I'm going to give you a winter tip if you have a split foyer house, meaning when you go in the front door you have a choice. You can go up to the first floor or down to the basement. If you do have a split foyer, chances are you have a small little area underneath the door just like this. All you got to do is clear out the storage, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can make that area well insulated so that the area above is nice and comfy this winter.
So this insulation is not good, right?
That's probably about right, yeah. Well, now one thing I can show you.
Okay.
When you pull this back, you see how dark that is?
Oh, wow, yeah.
So what that's telling us is that there's air flowing, and where it's happening, and that's right below your door. See this crack here?
Yeah, I see.
That's where air is infiltrating in.
Okay.
And what we want to do is seal it with foam spray. Once you seal it and you stop the airflow, you put some fresh insulation. The whole upstairs above will be a little bit warmer. Down here will be warmer. This is not a big deal. I mean, this is typical in a house 87, you said? 88?
87, yeah, 32 years old.
So all this really is, instead of looking at it as like, oh man, a problem, it's just a great opportunity.
Try this. The foyer is built on a short foundation wall. It's basically a mini version of your basement foundation wall. This area is known as the rim joist. It should be properly sealed and insulated, just like the other parts of your basement rim joist. Doing this simple job can make a nice difference in your journey to a more comfortable and efficient home.